Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the automatic pull from the cloud. Open Settings and go straight to Google, then Backup or Restore options. Toggle off Automatic Restore and Backup. This prevents newly installed apps or reinstalls from pulling photos back. Once done, make sure you sign out of any secondary Google accounts that might re-enable restoring. You'll want to leave local backups intact if you rely on them, but this step stops the automatic cloud restore flow immediately. Next, take control of photo syncing so items don't return later. Open Google Photos, go to Settings and Backup and Sync. Toggle it off for any account you don't want uploading. You can also set Backup and Sync to Wi-Fi only or disable cellular uploads to limit automatic transfers. Once adjusted, check each account listed under Photos because multiple accounts can reintroduce images. Make sure you understand that turning this off stops cloud copies from being created or restored going forward. Finish by cleaning remnants and validating settings. Clear cache and data for Google Photos and, if necessary, uninstall updates to reset defaults. This removes queued restore actions. Next, visit your Google account devices list and remove any old devices to prevent automatic pushes. If photos still reappear, check other gallery apps or carrier backup services and disable their sync. If you still see restores, reboot and verify account settings again. This usually resolves residual restores after you clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.